Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So one
Okay,
request,
4 minutes 50 seconds.
sir.
Yes, uncle.
Sir,
Sir,
Yeah, tell.
sir, can we do histograms today, sir? Start with histograms,
Why?
sir,
he's
because
doing
we
that in
have
school.
that for our exam, sir.
Where it is? I mean, which exam?
Sir,
Sir,
this
our
term
term
exam,
one
sir.
exam, sir, where we'll have expansions, factorization, simultaneous linear equations,
We have rational and irrational
uh,
numbers also.
rational and irrational numbers, and histograms, sir. We have 5 chapters.
Okay.
That's very less actually.
Sir, to be fair, that is very less chapter, sir. If you compare it to the chapters we got in 8th standard, it was so much, sir.
Hmm.
I
Okay,
think in 9th standard they're taking the topics like very detailed, sir.
Yes, it takes so much time.
Sir, in the test,
Sir, and can we
sir,
start
every question
histograms
is
today, sir?
No, we're doing
Let me.
something. So we'll do triangles. Histogram is so easy. We don't even have to do it in learning room.
I know it's so easy. We
True,
can
true.
finish it in like one class.
So, by the
Sir,
way, in your
not as
class,
Shh, shh. Yes, sir.
yes,
Tell
sir.
her. Tell
Let's
sir,
take
tell.
histograms as not as a chapter, but just as a like just as a
when
You
is
small
can't
your
do like
exam?
that
division,
here.
sir.
When it
You
is?
can't do
Sir, sir, it is on. Let me just see.
July
Huh?
17th,
Sir,
the
it's on
entire exam is
19th,
starting, sir.
19th, sir.
No, yeah.
Sir, our maths exam is on
19,
19th, sir.
It's on the next
Yeah.
Monday, da. 21, da.
Sorry,
No,
sorry.
next Monday is physics.
Yeah, we have on 21. Yeah, 21.
21,
We have
sir.
it on 21, sir.
Okay. Okay, no problem. We still have
Sir,
enough
but then
time.
we'll have to like stop classes. So no, sir, we have to stop classes by like July 16 because our exams start on July 17.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
But even then, we have, I think, 5 classes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we should have.
Yes.
Sir,
If
but
you take Friday
actually,
also.
if you ask me, we'll use those classes during when maths exam comes close by, we'll just practice the maths sums, sir, so that it
You
will
said
be a
expansions,
practice.
factorizations, simultaneous equations, and
Histogram, sir.
Histograms and
rational
rational and
and irrational
irrational.
numbers.
indices, exponents, logarithms,
No,
triangles.
sir.
No.
No, sir. No,
Sir,
sir.
logarithms and
Sir,
term
that-
3, sir.
Yes, sir. Logarithms, triangles, they're all term 3, sir. We learned it in like term 1 itself.
Okay, okay. Got it. No problem. We'll see.
Sir, we already learned all these chapters
What are you doing,
except
da?
histogram.
Uh-huh.
So it will just be like a revision, sir.
Yes, yes, of course.
Sir, and by the way, in simultaneous linear equations, we don't have those graphs and all, sir. We just have
For
substitution,
our understanding.
cross
sir.
multiplication, and
No, sir.
and,
Ma'am did teach it. Ma'am did
elimination.
teach it. She just
No,
briefly teach it.
he,
She said
she,
it's
she
a
No, da.
straight line and
didn't
then
teach,
started a normal thing.
she didn't
when?
teach
Last Friday, va?
graphs.
No. When she started simultaneous linear equations, she said
She
it's
never
Okay,
always
did.
sir, we'll
linear
start
or
the class.
straight, and then she started with.
We can start the class, sir.
Oh,
Yes, 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 of course.
Tarun still didn't join. So
I
it's
we
okay.
can cap. Yes,
Bad
sir, we can-
boy.
I mean, recap. Yes, sir. Yeah.
So, I thought um, I'll show you 2 good questions. Okay. Um, logarithms, or not logarithms exactly, but of your term test for these two classes. Will that be okay?
Yes, sir.
So what? I
Except
don't get it,
triangles, you
sir.
can give anything, sir.
Questions, we'll do
These,
questions.
these 2 days, we'll see some good questions. And after that, we will do your histogram thing. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Histogram, like one class is enough, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. One class is enough.
Okay, let's see. So you have exponents, right?
No, sir, we
We
don't.
don't, sir.
We don't. Okay, sorry.
Sir, that's actually a very big relief.
Indices
sir.
we don't have, sir.
Yes, sir.
Expansions. Expansions you
Wait,
have.
Expansions,
we have
yeah.
indices, right?
Yes, sir.
Expansions, yeah.
We don't
Oh.
have indices. We have only expansions.
But it's not like we don't even do something with this thing, sir.
Mhm.
Exponents.
Okay, fine.
Experiments, we
Yes,
didn't
sir.
do
We
that.
don't. We don't. Sir, expansions is like they give all these formula like a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, those types, sir.
Okay, you can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So, very first question is find the value of square root 1 plus square root 1 plus square
So we
root
did this,
1.
sir. We did this, sir. Sir, it is not defined, sir. You taught this once in rational and irrational.
Ah, is it?
It's one.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It is
One.
not defined, sir. It is
It's
not
one.
defined, sir.
So, just a
Yeah,
warm-up
okay,
question.
okay. Okay,
Just
yeah.
a
I don't
warm-up
know.
I take my body
question.
side.
I
Remember?
know you that you've taught this, sir. In our like very first days of class, you taught us this.
Yeah, you taught this, sir.
All right.
Once upon a
So,
time.
what was the strategy? Do you remember?
Sir, it's like you go from infinite to all this way, like it won't be defined, sir.
It's
So, we write,
if
let's
you
say if
said
x is equal to
We
1
take it
plus
as x, sir.
representing infinity.
And then we do x square equals 1
square.
plus root x square equals 1 plus root 1 1 1 it goes.
And
Yes,
this
sir.
part
I
is
remember
again
this.
same. Basically, it is a quadratic equation. Do you know how to solve quadratic equation?
Yes, I have to split
Yes,
them
sir.
every term.
So x will be minus of
2x.
minus 1
Minus.
plus minus square root b square minus 4ac.
Sir, how did you get x square is equal to 1 plus x, sir?
The remaining thing is again looking like x, no?
That means
Oh.
it can be x plus 1 plus x plus 1
Sir,
plus
but it, sir, but yes, sir, it can be 1 plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x, sir.
No, no, no.
Yes, sir.
You
It is
get, this whole portion is x. That's what you started with. It's just a way of writing. And since it is anyway positive square root, it means that we only have this as 1 plus square root 5 by 2.
So it's not
Sir, but we
defined.
can do x to the power 4 is equal.
Sir,
X to
how
the
do you do
power-
that quadratic equation? Product
Yeah,
should
so
be
what did
4
you
and
do,
sum.
sir?
The product should be -1 and sum should also be -1.
So ax square plus bx plus c,
Yes, sir.
It's the
if it
quadratic
is equal to,
equation
then
become
it is
polynomial.
minus b plus minus
Plus
square
or-
root b square minus 4ac
You say.
divided by 2.
Sir, we didn't learn
Yes,
this, sir.
sir.
What is this?
We didn't learn
Hey,
this, sir.
there's a quadratic equation, duh. Sir,
I
we learned
know.
quadratic polynomial,
We
sir.
didn't learn this. We
We
know
learned
the
only
quadratic
quadratic
equation. We didn't learn this.
polynomial, sir.
Sir, we didn't learn this. What is this, sir?
So understood, no?
Yes, sir. So it's like a
Yeah, write
formula,
it in the corner just in
if I'm
case.
not wrong.
Yes, it is a formula.
Huh?
We didn't learn this, sir.
You didn't learn this?
No,
So we
sir.
only learned
We didn't learn
quadratic
this.
polynomial. We didn't learn
So we didn't
quadratic
learn
equation.
this
And
yet,
how
sir.
to?
But I'm sure Kongwell already knows this.
Okay,
No.
no problem. No problem.
He just now asked
Let's
what is it.
see. Let's see another question.
Sir, can you just go back? I'll do it, sir. I'll just write the
No,
formula.
you don't know. Kongwell, you don't know this.
Yeah,
No.
even you don't know this.
Hey, then how did you answer the like once I gave you a question and you answered it like on this?
What?
He said one and
Yeah,
he
you
said not
answered
defined
the
and then
right.
ran away.
Probably learned it
No,
back
no,
then.
like I gave him a. No, I asked him a question
Okay, da.
once and he
Hey,
said it.
okay, da. He knows this. I don't know. We don't
Yes,
care.
sir, you can
Yes, sir,
proceed.
you can go. Yes, sir. Next question, sir.
No
Pankaj is the
problem.
one who's doing it.
So,
Okay,
but I'm
let's see
pretty sure
another.
when we did it back then, we didn't get this answer. We got something else.
Or not defined or 0 or 1. Either 3 of these options.
We got it not defined. Yes, sir, you can proceed.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, you can go, sir.
Yeah, just a second.
Hey, tomorrow, Kumbhi, you won't come to school, right?
I won't.
Okay.
I might not come there.
Why you're not coming?
What
Right?
happened to
You're
you?
perfectly fine. Why you're not coming?
No, I'm going to. I don't know if I'll go to a marriage or not.
Bruh.
You don't know.
Kumbhi is going to
Yeah,
Shisha.
I don't know. My mom. No, my mom. Like she might have
Sir,
gone to
can we
very
do the
early
next
and
one?
give the
Are you
gift and come
searching
back.
for questions, sir?
Sir.
You're going to
Hello,
Shisha,
am I
Adaya,
audible?
right? Pankaj?
Guys, am I
Okay,
Okay,
audible?
let's see.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Hello, guys, am I audible?
Yes,
Nope,
you're not.
totally not.
So, if a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square
So
plus
we
c
didn't find the
minus
answer for that, sir.
Hey, we found it.
Bruh, we did
1 plus minus root 5 by 2.
plus
That's
or
it.
minus root 5 by 2.
Equal to
0 someone. No, please don't be furious.
1.
14, then
He didn't complete the question then.
I didn't say anything. Oh, why must I
We
have this
waste.
petty?
this
So
is
should
it.
we should we use a formula like should I abbreviate it?
Anything your wish.
Do something.
You just have to give me one pair of values of a, b, and c so that this happens.
Hmm.
What? Wait. Oh, I got it.
Hey, stop
No,
it.
one
Stop it.
second.
Okay, I'm nearly done.
No, wait, what? Okay, I did not do it. Sir, nothing, sir. Wait a minute. I'm stuck. I mean, I'm stuck in this question. So I have a doubt, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Wait.
like,
Oh.
I got like that. You know, a minus b minus c whole square formula, right, sir?
Uh-huh.
Like it's like that, but the starting is it's like 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square. But in normal, it's not only a square plus b square plus c square.
Just
So
a
what
second.
should I
Just a second. Just a second.
do? Oh, right. Yes, sir. So what did you guys get? You guys,
Getting something.
But I got a square plus b square plus b square plus c square plus c square plus a square is equal to 14, sir.
No, that's wrong. I just know that's wrong.
So, what were you saying?
Sir, 1 second, sir. I'll be.
sir, you know
Uh,
the a minus b minus c whole square formula, right, sir? Like, yeah, sir.
So, this is not
It's
equal to
a
that.
square.
Obviously, he knows it. He's a maths teacher.
This is not
Sir.
equal
I
to
know.
this.
Okay, wait, 1 second. No,
So
sir. Like it's a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc. Like that, it's that, sir. But instead of a square plus b square plus c square, it's written 2a square plus 2b square plus 2b square. 2 square. Can I write like 2 the whole a plus b plus c, a minus b minus c the whole square, sir? Only for a minus b, and then take the 2 out
take
or
2 as
something like that.
common factor.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Can I do that?
Yeah, sure.
That means I have to take 2 out of everywhere, right, sir? All of these, right, sir?
There's 2 everywhere.
Could could
Yeah,
be.
if I take 2 out everywhere, it won't be a minus b minus c whole square, right, sir?
Well,
Don't get him.
it can be.
Oh,
Hey,
oh
you're
my.
just.
Okay, okay. Oh, I get it.
It can't be, right, sir, because this 2ab will 2 will get cancelled out, right? I mean 2 will taken out, right, sir?
Sir,
You tell
I
me what
want
is.
the answer. Don't tell the answer, sir. Don't tell the answer.
Yeah, I'm not.
Okay.
I got it wrong.
Yes, sir. So what should I do, sir?
I know. I knew it.
So what should I do, sir?
That's what the question is.
Sir,
What to do?
Sir, can I take 2 common for the first 3 terms alone, sir?
Yeah, you can.
Hey, do
You
whatever
can,
you
or-
want. Why are you asking?
Hold on. I got simulated in fact.
Sir, are you sure the RHS is not 14 and it is 16?
Oh, to whole square it. Okay, nice. I
So
know.
I'm asking.
Even I got stuck there.
Question is like it can be anything. What can be the values means you if you are able to show that there can be no values of such ABC, then give a reason, and if not, give some values of ABC. So it's both ways. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I got a very weird answer for that.
What it is?
Sir, I got. Never mind, sir.
Fine. Okay. Anybody
Sir,
else?
don't tell. I am almost done. It's
Even I felt the same, but I'm not.
no, I am almost done. Oh,
Wrong.
can I know what is root 7, sir?
Leave it at root
Doesn't-
7.
Yeah, root 7, I got it.
Okay. What are the
What is
values?
it?
So a minus b minus c is equal to root 7, sir. After that, I don't know, sir.
That's wrong. I know it's wrong. You've done a
After
very
that,
big
I don't know what
mistake
to do.
there.
Hey, you didn't complete. No, shut up.
I
You
know
know
it's
what is
wrong,
wrong, but you don't know what is right either.
but it's not incomplete. At least I'm not wrong.
You mind your
It's
own work.
incomplete.
So you continue.
Okay.
So you tell the
Okay.
answer,
So
sir. What
let's
is
see.
gonna-
Let's see. Let's see. See, first of all,
Being wrong is worse than being incomplete.
Sankalp.
Sankalp.
you know what we can do? Let's get rid of some parameters. Okay. So if possible,
So first the exponent, sir. The
Hey,
exponent.
shut up, Sankalp.
if
Sankalp,
possible,
can you
let's say
be
c
quiet?
equal to 0. Okay. If possible, let's say c equal to 0. Either c will be 0 or c will be non-zero. So either way, let's say if it is 0, then the equation will turn into a minus b whole square plus b square plus a square, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So we have a square again, b square minus 2ab plus b square plus a square equal to 14, right?
Wait.
So that means 2a square plus 2b square minus 2ab equal to 14. And if we even do this, divide both sides by 2, it means it is 7. Yes,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now, the question boils down to the fact that
It's not minus
can I
2ab.
find values of a and b which satisfy this equation?
No.
If they are,
No, sir.
then I can give them c as 0 and a and b those values. What about
A and
this
B,
one?
what should I write?
Can you find some values of a and b which satisfy this equation?
Equal to and more than
How do
0.
we, sir? No, that's 7.
Again,
Just
so if
find the answer for
possible,
that equation.
A is
let's
equal to
say
and more than 0.
b
Sir,
is
it should
equal
be
to
a
0.
plus b whole square should be equal to 7, sir.
You can't do that.
Yes.
It's minus 2, 1. It's minus AB. It's not minus 2AB.
So what about this one? B 0 and a root 7.
Yes, sir.
What are the values which satisfy? Root 7.
Root 7.
This is like a
Oh,
trial
okay.
and
That's
error
like so.
method, sir.
And then
I
0.
know. So
Sir, but,
we never even thought
but,
like that,
but,
sir.
but, sir, I
Got
thought
the
all
point?
the values is equal to
Yes,
root
sir.
7, sir.
Oh,
So, so
got
point
it
is that
properly.
Sir,
what I wanted you
sir,
to
what,
show.
sir, how, I don't get it, sir. Like, if
Uncle,
possible, be equal to
please,
0.
daddy.
I don't get it. What is wrong in asking? I don't get it.
So,
Then the
see,
value
Sankal.
I just
So if you, I mean, you will understand when I speak, no?
I
Is
don't know.
that true or not?
Yes, sir, but yes,
So
sir.
I got your point. I got at the very first moment when you said, if I don't say and respond to you, will you understand it? No, no. So point is that the question is not difficult. Okay. I just wanted you to know that there can be different techniques to approach a question. This is one of them, which is probably the first time you are seeing it. So what has happened is you were given a condition in that there were three parameters. What we tried was like one condition, one parameter. So two parameters are free. We can choose as per our choice. We chose those one which simplified the equation. So being c equal to 0 and b equal to 0, it just simplifies the equation, right? And it just reduced to the smaller a square equal to 7, which is easy to handle. So it's like this, that a bigger problem is broken down into smaller problems, and then we deal with the smaller problems. When those smaller problems receive the solution, we transpond back. That's the strategy.
Sir, but we
Understandable?
can't find the true answer but by making assumptions. Right?
This
Yeah,
is the
yes,
true
yes.
answer.
It's not true.
Even that, even it's not the only answer. You can even switch a
Sir,
as
we
0,
can. Yeah, yes,
b
sir.
as root 7, and c as 0.
Another
This is
expression of
also
that
one
strategy.
possible. Yeah. Do you get the point?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Shall we see one more?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
These questions will always make me scared for some reason. Like a horror
Make
movie.
me feel dumb.
No
No, it
problem.
doesn't because
Yes,
the
sir.
questions are too hard.
So uh, find the pattern.
Sir, why are you giving us sums like from IMO, sir? Like, find the pattern. How is this
Yeah,
possible?
I almost
They are not even from there.
The IMO questions are like everyone buys
Or
100,000
aptitude
oranges
question,
and asks us to calculate. Who's gonna eat 100,000 oranges, sir?
Huh?
50,000
Okay.
watermelons.
So what should be the next term?
Okay, one second. I'm fine. I'm done.
But
Wait, no, I'm
there's
not.
1, 2 times.
Shush, Nitish, chup karke.
1 is actually 2 times there, sir. Or is it a typo or something?
No, nothing is typo. It is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21.
Oh my god, sir, it's like so easy, sir.
What?
It's actually like so easy if you think.
What is the answer?
Get it?
34.
Okay. Let's wait.
No, 1 second, 1 second. I'm trying, sir.
Sir said, let's wait.
Go. Oh my God, I've been staring at this so long. I remember the question, sir. Oh my God!
Oh my god, I got the pattern.
Hey, I got it! I got it! Yeah, I
What
got
is it?
sir. The 34.
31. Sir, it's 34. It's 34. It's 34. Next is 34.
Sankalp will explain how we got
Very
it.
good.
Yes, Sankalp will explain.
34.
Yes, so Sankalp will explain.
Sankalp,
will
explain.
One
It's
second,
like
sir.
Need to add.
okay.
Shush.
No,
Sir,
shoot.
so
Tarun.
hey, guys, be quiet. Guys, be quiet.
Mm.
Sir, so we see the first number is sir. So we see the first number is 0, and in the next two numbers the difference is 0, and the second number is 1, and the next two numbers the difference is 1. Then we see 2 and 3, the difference is 1, and then we see 3 and 5, the difference is 2. Then we see 5 and 8, the
can't
difference
do
is
that.
3. Then we see 8 and 3, the difference is 5, and we see 13 and 21, the difference is 8. Then we do 21 plus 13, we get 34.
Bruh, that's like, no, that's wrong.
Very
They
good.
can't
Okay.
do it like that.
So
Last time was
That's
equivalently,
wrong, sir. That's
no, no,
wrong.
nothing is
Last time
wrong.
was correct,
Nothing
sir.
is wrong.
Last time everything was wrong, sir.
How is this wrong, sir? This is a pattern,
You
sir.
have to add it, right? You shouldn't subtract it. You wouldn't know what
Both are
difference is.
same. Both are same.
Sir, but you wouldn't know what difference is.
Both methods are same. Okay.
Yeah.
Thing is,
Hey, what's 3 minus 2 to 1? What is 5 minus
See,
3?
you
2.
can't
What is
subtract
8
it, right?
minus
You
3?
didn't
Sir,
know
wait.
was there.
This is called Fibonacci, right? I
Fibonacci,
know.
right? Fibonacci.
Fibonacci pattern.
Fibonacci.
Sir, you can add and subtract.
both are same.
Yeah.
That's
So
all.
even
but-
B plus A equals C, sir.
Sir, but sometimes you wouldn't know. Like if they put some blanks in the middle of the thing, you can't get the answer by mind.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's of course right.
That's what I thought.
Okay. Shall we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I was always good at pattern questions.
That's not good, right? You did wrong there.
You were the last one to
correct,
figure it
but
out,
How is that
literally.
wrong?
If there's
Okay,
some
you were the
blanks
last
in
one
the
to do
middle,
it,
it'll be wrong. If there's some blanks in the middle, it'll be hard for you to do it. I mean, you can't do it that method.
Bruh, I knew it because it was the
Doesn't
Fibonacci
matter, but that
series.
was
It's
not
so
the question.
popular.
Okay, that was not the
Ah,
Sir,
you
it's
can't say that.
sir, it's question 3, sir. It's question 3.
Question 4, just now you did.
4 only, da.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, sorry.
So if A plus B is 1, B plus C is 2, C plus D is 3, and D plus A is 4. Okay. What are the values of A, B, C?
something tells me to use cross multiplication.
And that something's wrong with you.
Something is wrong. Something is going to be wrong. But I can't use cross multiplication.
So I'm done. So D, you don't have to
No,
find
I
out.
can't do that.
D, sorry, yeah, D also.
So
So
that's
I tried giving it values, but then it didn't end so well.
Sir, I'm done.
Wait, you know what?
Wait, no, I may not be.
Kongwe, you
Oh
know what?
yes,
You know what?
I don't know
I
what.
hate you.
You're welcome.
And I don't care.
Welcomed as well. Wait, I may not be done.
No, it's,
Oh my god, I'm not done yet. Okay, sir, I'll use your old method.
Mhm.
Wait a minute, I'm starting to understand, sir. Just don't solve it, sir.
Sure.
No, I'm wrong.
Wait, sir, I'm doing it, sir.
Mhm.
sir.
1 second, sir.
No, sir, 1 second, sir.
Can I see it?
Did I give up? I'm just kidding. 1 second, sir.
Sir, is this question simple? That's all I need to know.
Simple if you think, hard if you don't.
Sir, it is only plus. Is it only plus, sir?
Yeah, only plus.
All are integers, right? Like, I mean, whole numbers, right?
Not
think all of
necessary.
Okay, let's go. Mine is right.
They could be any decimal numbers also.
Sure.
Nice, sir. Can they be variables, sir? The answer.
No,
They are anyway already variables.
I know, right? What's the point?
No, like just finding it as variables.
Oh, wait. Okay, wait. Sir, 1 second.
Um,
I know there's a very weird answer, but as you said, it's not possible. I'll just say it, sir. I
Oh,
got
bruh.
B is equal to I got B is equal to 1 minus A and C is equal to 2 minus B and D is equal to 3 minus C and A is equal to 4 minus B, sir.
Sir, so smart. What's something?
I didn't get it. I give up.
No, you don't give it. Never gonna give.
Do you see some circular pattern?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Something that I don't understand.
Sir, for me, D plus A is always making a problem, sir.
No problem. You try, you will get.
Remove the problem. Get rid of your problems.
So I put 0 as I mean A as 0, B as 1, C as 1, D as 2, and then I didn't get it, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
But
even I
new
did
No,
not.
I did the same
equation.
thing. I
It
did
was
the
right
same
till
thing the first time.
it was right till
Exactly,
C
sir.
plus D, sir. But when it got to D plus A,
Sir, can you
it went
please
to
wait
2
for
plus
one
A.
more minute, sir?
Sure.
No, we can't.
So it was
Who
right till
asked?
C plus D, sir. I got 3, but then D plus A, I got 2, sir. 2 plus 0. Sir.
That's what.
So it was mostly cut, so I get half of one.
You don't.
Hmm. So can I do simultaneous linear equation but 4 variables?
Yeah, I mean, you have to transform it. Two equations need two variables.
Yes,
Oh
sir.
my.
A, B, and oh my God. Please, it's okay. Okay.
So, but this is a long process, sir.
Yeah, I'm not doing cross the
Simultaneous.
linear equation at all. Sir, there is no like 2 variables are the same, sir. You can't do simultaneous linear equation.
That's
No,
Two
what.
you
different
can. You
maybe.
can.
Oh, we can make it the same by multiplying one variable with the top or bottom things. You can do like that, right?
Sir,
No?
I found D. Oh shit, I didn't.
Wait, what?
You
Sir,
can't say you found D there
I'm
just by
getting
putting that number.
no. I'm getting A minus C equals -1 and C minus A also equals -1. But how
Sir,
is
I
that
got
possible?
D is equal to 0/2, sir.
Can you go for the answer? The D plus A is good everything. So,
Well, actually, that's what the point is. It's
Not possible.
not possible.
Bruh.
I
I
knew
am
it, sir.
right.
Sir, it is
This is
Sir,
not
a
possible
grammar.
because, sir, I'll
sir,
explain, sir. Because if I
Yeah,
equate it, it comes up to C minus A equals -1 and A minus C equals -1 and C minus A and A minus C cannot be equal. So
It's
unless
not
it's
sir,
possible
I
0,
because
got D is equal.
in
I got
in
D
this
is
case
equal
it
to
is not.
0/2, sir.
when you
In this case it's not.
when you subtract these two equations,
That's
it
what I did.
becomes A plus B minus B minus
Smart.
C equal to 1 minus 2. That is A minus C equal to -1. And if you subtract these two, this becomes C plus D minus A equal to 3 minus 4. So C minus A equal to -1. That means A minus C again is 1. So this thing,
it's not.
both tells us that something is wrong, right? No, so the argument is if at all there are any values of A and C, A, B, C, and D, then A minus C has to be one number. But this is telling me it is 1 and -1 as well. That's why
Can
there
I
are no
ask,
such values.
can I assume one value of the any variable as like 0 like that, sir? And then
Yeah,
maybe I
you
can do.
can. So that was a hit and trial thing. Okay, it worked there because you had three parameters and one relation. But here you see you have relations and four parameters, right?
Yes.
So if at
Yes.
all any values of A, B, C, D exist, then A minus C must be must be unique, but it is not so here. So what does it mean? It means that there are no such values.
I knew it was wrong because I couldn't solve it.
Oh,
Pa, pa,
wow.
You write that in the paper.
So I can't solve it, so it's wrong.
Okay, anyway,
And
so
Raman is
this
good,
is
sir.
also this question I gave to you because it is having a unique way of solving. Okay, you don't really attempt to find the values, but you find the relations, and that's where you get to know what is really happening. Understandable?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let's see one more question.
You gave this
Sir,
question so you
if
can
you
get
would have
five
given
minutes
the
of time.
sum in the exam, I would have spent 1 hour in the same question, sir. Because
No,
I
no,
was
no.
like,
Sir gave this
I know.
question
not
because he
possible.
wanted 5 minutes
We
of
knew it
peace and
because it
silence.
was Sankalp.
Okay,
No, being
so see.
not possible. I am done. He gave it so he can have 5 minutes of peace and silence.
I know. He'll have to connect to the invigilator at like 10 o'clock in the PM to explain why this answer I couldn't
Oh,
get.
my eyes. So what about the equation 3x plus 1, sir? The hailstone digits.
Hmm?
Hailstone digits. 3x plus 1.
Sir, can you give
What
us
are
another pattern question, sir?
That's so everyone says if you're a
Hey,
math man,
pattern
if you
questions are
try to
boring,
solve
da.
it.
Go learn it from your what's that IGKO book, aptitude book. We have one, no?
I don't buy it. I just buy it online.
That
Cheaper
book
and
alone is good. I so I buy it every time.
you bought it.
Yeah, I just do it in the night when I'm bored.
You know what I do when I'm bored?
Okay, don't.
You know what I do when I get bored? I get bored. What
I
else?
study.
Sir, question.
yes,
You
yes,
get
yes.
bored, you study.
So this is now a triangle question. Okay.
So can you tell if it's
I
possible or
saw
not
so
for the
many.
first sentence?
Triangle.
No,
I love triangle.
no.
So can you tell if it's possible
Hey,
or not
nah.
for the starter sir?
This ruins the purpose of
Yes.
the question, sir.
It ruins 5 minutes of my life, sir.
So this is it.
So three questions.
No, it's not three.
I know. Like 3 parts.
No, I have to construct it.
Sir, I hate these
So
questions. Sir.
I'll
Please,
help
sir.
you with that. I'll help you with that.
ABC
Don't
is
worry.
a triangle. I'll draw that.
So
Yes, we'll try.
ABC is an isosceles triangle.
Yeah.
Okay.
M is the midpoint of BC.
B is equal to
With
AC.
AB equal to AC. M is the midpoint of BC. So this is M.
Yes, sir.
This is midpoint.
Perpendicular to AB.
O is the point on the line AM such that OB is perpendicular to AB.
So AM you have to draw a line and then O is the point of. So it should
On
be
the line
perpendicular to the AB. We like a cruise symbol, sir.
OB. Okay. So
Sir,
we have it here.
No, it's on line AB, sir.
on line AM it's given, sir. It should be on line AM.
Yeah, that's what.
Why is it extending, sir?
Then only you will get a perpendicular.
Oh, it should be perpendicular to AB. So it should be perpendicular to AB, sir, not AM, sir.
So
Sir, but then the
O
thing
is the
is,
point on the line AM such
so
that
it should be on AM, no, sir. It's not on line segment AM. It's
OB is
apart from it.
perpendicular to AB.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not
O
drawing.
is a point on the line AM such that
Sir,
OB is perpendicular to AB. First of
can't
all.
we just drag that
Is
line
BM
up
equal
and
to
put it?
MC? Yes.
The
Can't we just
Words
like
it
put
won't
that
come.
line somewhere up? Sir, how come, sir?
Mhm. Okay,
There's
so
like no
now
way.
Q is an arbitrary point on the segment BC, different from B and C. Okay,
Just
Sir,
arbitrary
so
point.
some
sir, but how do we know that it's not possible if it's on line
what
AM, sir? Like, how do we know?
Oh,
consider it given from my side.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
oh my eyes.
so Q is some point on the line BC, different from B and C. Okay, we will see where to put. Then E lies on the line AB and F lies on the line AC, such that EQF are distinct and collinear. Okay.
This question is like college third year, sir.
Not like that.
Albert Einstein
It's
counts
just
also.
once you construct it, it'll be easier.
The shape
Hopefully,
doesn't look interesting, bro.
probably,
It's not.
maybe.
So
So can you just
this
after this mark the isosceles sides? I mean the equal
Sure,
sides.
sure. So E is a
What is
point
collinear, sir?
on one line.
it's linear but cold.
Okay.
Okay, ma.
Mm.
Okay, ma.
What is distinct? Okay. Sorry. Collinear. Okay. New word.
What you have to do is
OQ.
that OQ is perpendicular to
There's a line
EF.
OQ also. Oh
Yeah.
my god. No.
EQ, where's so
OQ da.
OQ?
Is perpendicular
So
to
is by
EF.
any chance EF is parallel to BO, sir?
No,
Could be.
maybe not.
Oh, could be. Yeah. See,
Could be not.
OK is perpendicular to EF if and only if QE is equal to QF.
okay. OQ is perpendicular to yeah, exactly.
OF. Sir,
Yeah, is equal to QF.
OF.
No, not OF. Yeah, OE is equal to OF.
How
Yeah.
OF, sir?
Not
See,
O, this is
QF,
Q.
that's
This is
Q.
Q.
Oh, QF. Okay.
Q.
So they asked perpendicular, right? How do we decide that it's a bisector?
We have to find that out, Ra.
They know da. Sir has given QE should be equal to QF if OQ should be perpendicular to EF. Well, how do we know, sir? Oh, it's
So take
given in
it
the
this
question.
way. Take it
It's
this
given
way.
in the question. My bad. Sorry, sir. I didn't read it properly.
So
Prove that, we have to prove it.
this is also given that OQ is perpendicular to EF.
Oh wait, that's
You
also
have
the
to
question.
you have to show
Also a
this
part
thing.
of the question. Also a part of the
You
question. You have to solve. Okay. You have to prove that
you
QE
QE
equals
is equal
QF
to QF.
as well as OQ is perpendicular to EF.
Don't worry, we'll go into the one direction. This is given.
Okay, sir.
This to show. Okay. So all these
Sir, but
four things are given.
sir, we have to prove OQ is perpendicular to EF, right, sir?
There are two things. Okay. You assume one
Oh,
thing and prove another, then assume other thing, prove another.
oh, so I can either do this or prove, make QE is equal to QF as given, and we have to show OQ is
First,
perpendicular.
it will
I
happen
can do
in
that
two
also.
parts. It will happen in two parts. First, assume that you are given these four informations and then show that QE is equal to QF. Other part we'll do sometime later. Okay.
So I just have to prove Q equals QF. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait,
My
angle
eyes.
EBO is
Sir,
EBO is 90
is
degrees.
line EF and BO parallel, sir?
That's what I
Not
asked.
necessary.
So is angle EBO 90 degrees, sir, because you did some.
Yeah, actually, that there is a point that there is some connection between EF and BO because you know two angles.
One with what, sir?
OQ is perpendicular to EF, and so that means OQE is 90 degrees, and EBO is again 90
Don't
degrees. So
say, sir. Don't say,
basically,
sir. Don't say, sir.
you have a rectangle there.
Oh my.
Dun, dun, dun.
So we can even prove we can either prove that EB is equal to CF or OQ is equal to CF because it's enough because OQ is equal to BE.
OQ is equal to CF. Why do you need to prove that?
because we have to
Wait.
prove that triangle EBM is congruent to triangle MCF. Prove that EQ is equal to QF. Now we know that EQOB is a rectangle, so we just need to prove that QO is equal to CF.
Angle EMB and angle CMF are same because, and then mm, then
I think I got it, sir.
I know you're in.
Wait.
okay, we wait for another 2 hours. Okay, there's so much time.
First script your explanation and then tell it.
Now, sometimes be like, oh, past I have to type this question in Google and then find the answer.
No, just thinking
How long will it take?
QE should be same as QF.
1 second,
Sir,
sir.
I think I got it, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, wait, what? Q. Okay, sorry.
Wait, what?
Okay.
This Google question? This Google is giving
Okay,
me the
okay.
wrong question.
Okay. Sir, I think I got it, sir.
Okay, tell me
I
how
think I
it is.
found the correct answer from the Google. Sir.
Sir, angle BME and angle FMC are same because they are opposite angles, and we know
Okay.
angle BEQ and angle MFC are same because of the angle rules, and we know that
What angle
EB
rules?
is
It's
Vertically
like
what angle rules?
so the
The
I don't know the angle
the
rule, but it is an angle rule.
It's the
We use
vertically.
that many times. Yeah, vertically opposite angles, sir. The rule.
That you used for the first pair, no? EMB
No,
and
sir, that is
CMF.
they are opposite angles, sir. They are interior
So?
opposite
Vertically
angles.
opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle.
So we know EB is equal to CF. Then we can prove that there's an congruency rule called AAS.
How EB is equal to CF?
Sir, you just told it is equal to CF, right? EB is
No,
equal
he
to
said you
CF
have to find
and EB is equal to QO.
how.
So we need to prove that QO is equal to CF. QO is equal to B, right, sir?
It's not. Oh yeah, rectangle.
It's a rectangle, sir.
So
Sir, so B should be equal to CF because it's a rectangle. We just need to prove CF is equal to QO. So we proved CF is equal to QO. Oh, sorry.
How did you prove it? How did you prove?
Okay.
we
Oh
knew
no,
it,
my oh
Okay.
no, my Google answer Google just crashed. Something.
Bruh.
Please try later.
I tried.
all right then. So take it as your home exercise, and possibly we'll discuss in next class. Okay?
No, sir. I can figure this out in 1 more minute.
Okay, you all stay
Yeah,
alone in the meeting and we'll leave.
I
Bye.
do, I do, I do believe
My
that.
Google will reopen.
I do believe that you can
Stop
No
it,
solve
sir.
problem.
this.
Stop it. Seriously, it's annoying.
Okay, all the best then. Good night.
It can't take a two
Hope the server restarts, uncle.
See,
I want to see if Google restarts.
rule. Sir, is BQ equal to QC? Is it mentioned anywhere?
BQ is it which BQ?
BQ is equal to QC.
No, only
Not
BM is
mentioned.
equal to MC.
Oh.
M is the midpoint.
Sir,
That is an isosceles triangle.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, if we need to prove that EQ is equal to QF, we need to prove that triangle EBQ is equal
Yes,
to triangle QFC. So we found that angle EQB is equal to angle FQC, and we found that angle, yeah, angle, angle BEQ and angle QFC are same. So we can form two rules
They
out
are
of it. So we
not
can either,
same. They are not same.
how sir? But the rules say they are same, sir. The angles rule.
Which rule is it? I have not heard it.
Sir, like let's say I'll just remove my virtual background, sir.
No problem.
Sir, so sir, when it is like this angle is equal to this angle. That's what applies in EMB and FMC, sir. So they are like opposite.
Happens on EQB and FQC. Okay.
Yes, sir. EQB and FMC. FQC.
FQC. Yeah.
Yes, sir. That
That
happens
means
in
there. That means there should be a common vertex. No.
sir.
So
There is
where is the
two.
common vertex? BEQ and what is it? QCF. Getting the
Sir, is
point?
this question possible?
Of course, yes.
So can you just solve this? I'll just see this and I'll just leave, sir.
No problem. You can leave it now itself. We'll
No,
see
sir.
tomorrow.
I just want. I'm just curious. I just want to see how it ends up.
What for it? That's what it is for. Take it as an exercise. Apply some brains. Draw it. Use pencil, scale. Note this question. You already have screenshot.
So you said scale. Does that mean I have to draw imaginary lines?
Yeah.
Am I supposed to draw imaginary lines?
Ready?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Try out. Try out.
Okay,
Take
sir.
your time. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.